Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ever wondered how to add color to your Canva designs? I'll show you step by step. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels for this demo to set the canvas dimensions accurately before proceeding. Next, go to Elements, select Shapes, then click on the desired shape to add it. Choose any shape you want from the options. For example, select this one to add it to your project. You can add another item, and there's no limit to how many you can add. Simply click the Add button to continue expanding your list quickly and easily. Now, we will change the fill color of these elements to customize their appearance in the design. Click the color box, then select any color from the panel on the right to apply it. To multi-select items, hold the Turo key while clicking each item. Alternatively, hold Shift to select Arrange. Once your items are selected, click the color option to choose a color for all selected items simultaneously. This lets you efficiently apply changes to multiple items at once. To multi-select, hold Ctrl and click Items. Then, change their appearance or apply a gradient using the options in the toolbar. Click the color area to open the palette. Choose a color or use the eyedropper tool to pick a color from anywhere on your screen. This lets you customize your design quickly and accurately, ensuring the perfect shade every time. Use the color picker tool to select the desired color from the area shown. This action copies the color for use in your design or project. To change a shape's fill in Canva, select the shape, choose a new color, then click Share to save or download your design. Check the image quality, then click the Download button to save your file. Now you know how to fill color in Canva. Give it a try. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.